Hey guys, as you can see, I got a little crack in my windshield. I heard a little pop, and when I drove home, I'm like, darn. Anyways, show you guys how to fix it. Here's what I'll be using for the repair. It's a Permatex windshield repair kit, and here's what's inside the box itself. I'll have a link below that'll show you where I bought mine from. It's about 10 bucks. I bought mine from Amazon. First thing you want to do, you take the alcohol pad that's provided with it and clean off the surface. Wipe it clean. You have a little tack in there and make sure there's not any debris left over. Clean that out. And then again, take your little rubbing alcohol and take all that debris out that might be loose. Next, you're going to take your little adhesive piece and you're going to put it right over the crack. Make sure this part's facing up. So peel off this white part here. And like I said, make sure the crack's in the middle. Just like that. Next, you're going to peel off this green other adhesive side here. And you're going to put this plastic piece right on top. Just like that. Next, you're going to take your resin, pop off the cap, and then with the razor that's provided, cut off the tip. Next, you're going to want to pour in 3/4 of this resin solution right into this spout here. Next, you're going to take this and stick it in this hole here firmly. Okay, and you're going to lift this up. Okay, on this notch right here. What that does, it creates a vacuum, and you're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. As it sits, what you're going to do is knock around the glass. That's going to help lift all the bubbles out. You don't want to hit too hard and crack your windshield anymore, but just some light taps like this and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Alright, now that 10 minutes has passed by, what we're going to do is simply take the syringe out. Okay, that releases the air, and then we're going to move this notch over like this, and we're going to put it back in. We're going to force the resin back in by pushing this like this. Okay, just like that. Now you let it stay for 20 minutes just like this. This is going to force the resin back into the crack. Alright, now that 20 minutes has went by, we're going to lift this out, put it aside, and we're going to take the provided razor and take this off. Next, you take this clear film and then you take the excess resin, squirt it on there, whatever's left, Put this on there like this. Take your razor, take out all the bubbles. This forces the resin back inside, and in direct sunlight we're going to let it sit like this for 15 minutes. Now on the other hand, if you don't have direct sunlight, you're going to probably want to let it stay on like this for about an hour. Okay? Alright guys, now that 15 minutes has went by, all you're going to do is take your razor, peel this off, and then at an angle, making sure you don't scratch your windshield, just clean off the excess resin here. Alright folks, so here it is, before and after. The green piece of paper that I have in the background is so that you could see the previous crack a little better. So if I take it out here, is it 100% perfect? No, it's not, but it's probably 99% better than it was. I hope you all enjoyed my video. Please subscribe and thumbs up and tell me what you think about my job. Have a good day.